This is Natasha. She has the difficult job of leave manager at her company. Working remotely during the COVID-19 crisis has increased her workload. In her role, Natasha is responsible for many tasks associated with absence management, such as leave administration, communication by sending emails and PDFs to employees and business partners, explaining benefits to employees on leave, submission of payroll change reports, enrollment in states with paid and unpaid leave, and ensuring employees are eligible for FMLA and workers' compensation. If only there were a suite of customizable templates that could help Natasha. Excel Employee Leave Tracker can help. Excel Employee Leave Tracker can create custom templates using advanced formulas and macros to create an automated payroll change report, a management dashboard for forecasting and evaluating trends of all company leaves, automate calculation of return to work dates excluding weekends and holidays, a communication hub to generate personalized emails and PDFs for employees on leave. Now Natasha has a custom, easy-to-use leave administration tool to work more productively, meet all deliverables, and provide great customer service to employees on leave while working from home. Go to our website, www.excelemployeeleavetracker.com, to schedule a virtual demonstration. Learn how Excel Employee Leave Tracker can make your difficult leave administration job easier.